this over here, on this wall, I was thinking we can do a board and batten design.
Oh,
because
okay.
it's just sitting there.
Yeah,
We want it to be nice.
I like that. That's a good idea.
And we can paint it the same iron ore as the brick outside.
Kind of like how we did at Valley Chase.
Yes, sir. You like that?
Nice. I do like that.
Right here, well, show them the kitchen. This is going to be a huge kitchen.
It's big. Is it going all the way down or no?
Well, they have that over there, I don't know what that is. But it's going to go, kitchen is going to start here. It says refrigerator all the way down. This is your sink. More cabinets over here. This is your eating area for your breakfast nook. So a light's going to go here. So this is your breakfast nook. This is going to be your islands, right, with an overhang, your stove and your vent hood. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
This is your pantry.